My child, you do not have to pretend with me. Come as you are, broken places and all. I did not create you to be perfect. I created you to be mine. And what the enemy meant to destroy, I am turning into something beautiful. Every wound you carry, I already see it, and I am healing it, layer by layer. Every year the locusts have eaten, I am restoring. Every dream that felt lost, I am reviving. Every door that closed in pain, I am opening a better one. Joel 2:25 says, I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten. Read that again, my child. Restore, not replace with something lesser. Restore with something greater. What was broken in your family, I am mending. What was stolen from your health, I am returning. What was lost in your finances, I am recovering. What was shattered in your heart, I am putting back together, piece by piece. I am not finished with your story. The chapter you are living now is not the final chapter. There is more coming, more healing, more joy, more peace than you have known in years. My beloved child, do not judge my plan by what this season looks like. A surgeon must cut before he can heal. A farmer must plow before he can plant. I am doing a deep work in you right now, and it will not be wasted. Nothing about this season is wasted. Not one tear, not one sleepless night. I am collecting every drop of your pain and turning it into a testimony. The very thing you are ashamed of, I will use to bring hope to someone else. Someone who feels the same way you do right now. You will look back on this season and see my fingerprints all over it. You will see the friend I placed in your path at just the right moment. You will see the door that closed, that you now understand was me protecting you. You will see the delay. That was actually me preparing something better. My child, healing is not a straight line. Some days will feel like progress. Other days will feel like you are back at the beginning. That does not mean I have left you. It simply means you are human. And I am patient. I am not timing your healing by a calendar. I am walking with you through every single day of it. Stop apologizing for needing time to heal. Stop rushing yourself back together. I am gentle with you. Be gentle with yourself, too. I am the God who binds up the brokenhearted. I am the God who sets the captives free. I am the God who makes all things new. You are not too broken for me. You are not too far gone for me. You are not too late for my mercy. I am restoring you right now. Even while you hear these words, feel my peace settle over you. Gently, like a warm blanket on a cold night. Feel the weight begin to lift, little by little. Day by day, you are being made whole again. Trust the process. Trust my timing. Trust my love. So today, I am not done with you yet, my child. I am just getting started. There is so much more life left for you to live. So much more joy left for you to feel. If this message touched your heart, subscribe for more daily messages from God. May God restore you fully, always.